In today's video, I try to dropship with $0 for 1 week. And this is from complete scratch. I have to find the product and I have to create the listings to sell the product. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna go over profits and how you guys can actually do this by yourself. Now, just so you guys know, these results are very realistic and this is actually what you can have happen to you. Now, throughout this challenge, I also forgot to mention that I kind of set goals for myself. I wanted at least 1 sale per day, which is pretty challenging if you've ever dropshipped before, especially since I have $0 and I'm gonna try to market for free. So let's get right into it and I'm gonna show you my listings and my products that I actually dropship. So like I said, I do have a little bit of experience and that's why I kind of knew what products I was gonna dropship before I actually did my research. Now, what are some ways that you could find your own product? I'd recommend using TikTok and also I'd recommend using YouTube videos. You can also use daily items that you kind of use in real life by yourself and an item that you were kind of scarce for or looking for a while. Now, in an old video over here, I actually do show a couple of products that you guys could dropship and I watched that video back. So after a little bit of searching, I found 3 products that I actually want to dropship, and the reasons are that I feel like they're kind of rare to find online and you haven't seen them before, but also there's a very big market for them and I feel like people will kind of think it's a very cool product and want to buy it. I don't even have to advertise. People will literally find these products naturally since no one else is selling them, and it's not a competitive market, but it's kind of a needed market, and that's what you want to look for when you're trying to find your first dropshipping product. So what I did was just watch one of my YouTube videos and I kind of followed it step by step on how to find their own product, but then I realized I literally show some great products in the video and I used 3 of them from that video. Okay, let's go. So now you want to look for a category. The first category I kind of thought was cool was gun accessories, or kind of like certain gun type things. Now the reason for this is there's a lot of gun enthusiasts who just kind of like little cool things that are related to weapons. Now for this example, I sold little keychains that actually have cartridges that can come out. Now it is pretty cool, but I'm not that big savvy on guns, so I didn't need this product for myself. But as you can see, it literally glocks back. Also the but as you can see, there is a keychain, so that's why it's actually a very cool product. Now make sure when you're selling, you do also have a description on what the product is and everything about it. Now this is so that you can actually get no refunds, which I didn't get in this challenge. Now the second product I sold was this watch. Now it's a very famous brand, but actually not a lot of people are selling it for good prices on eBay, especially since I offer 2 to 4 day free shipping. So as you can see, it is very quick shipping and it's free, and it's also a good price for a watch. Now last but not least, I did see this at a party, believe it or not. I actually have friends, okay?
Stop the cap.
And what it was a milk frother.
Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Now I was kind of thinking about this. I was like, oh wait, that's a cool product that they just have at their house. Whenever I'm outside of my house, I kind of look around and try to find products or inspiration. And you guys could actually also do this. Let's say you're in your car and you see one of those scent things on the thing. That might inspire you to sell scented things for your car. So like that one tree brand that we all know, you could sell those or dropship those onto eBay and get a bunch of sales. See, like I said, I'm giving you guys great ideas and you just got to use them. Now let's go over my supplier and also how I got it to get more sales. Now first off, my supplier is Amazon, but you can get banned on eBay for this. Now this video is not sponsored, but I would recommend using TrackerBot, and you can use the link down below to get a free 14 days and see what I mean. It makes it so easy, and also it converts your Amazon logistics shipping numbers to be compatible with eBay so that you can actually dropship from Amazon to eBay.
I have 100 business tips I'm going to teach you, which will allow you to make your own money instantly.
And that's a key thing here. This is so that you get great shipping, great prices, and also trending products. So what I do on eBay is actually I go to new releases and see what's selling. Now you can find a lot of good products here as well. Nice products I found were just kind of brainstormed and thought of, but as you can already see, you can use some great products here like this light. So when you're on Amazon and you found your product, you kind of want to use some keywords just to find it. So let's say you're looking for a car clip, like I said. You'll look for the product and here it is, a phone mount or a car clip, whatever you want to call it. Now you want to go to eBay and search the exact same product up. So I'm going to search up that exactly, and then we're going to see who the top ranking person is, or the couple of top ranking people. Now make sure when you're looking, they're not sponsored, because this will actually be more realistic, and this would be probably something like your listing. So as you can see, this person's selling it for $8, but also it doesn't really look appetizing, or it just doesn't look cool. You know, you wouldn't want to press on these listings. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because you want to look at the title of their listing, and you can actually copy and paste it into your listing. Even Even if it isn't the same products, they do have keyword research and have researched the best keywords to put into the titles. And that's why it's super easy to just kind of use the same keywords but mix them up in your own listings. So for example, the keychain, I did just put mini Glock 17 keychain, luxury 1/3 model moving parts, eject cartridges. Now the reason I put this is because I actually use inspiration from a different listing and also my supplier's listing. Now you can do this as well, but I would recommend trying to use keywords that you've seen other people use successfully. So now that we're done with all of that, let's go over the results and how much money I made and if it's actually profitable. Now there's one big issue I ran into, and this is actually why this video is so realistic. So last week I got 2 sales from Puerto Rico, which if you didn't know is a US territory. Now the problem with this is that Walmart doesn't ship out to those territories, and I was actually using Walmart for a bit to drop ship. But now that's why I switched over to Amazon. It's honestly just better than Walmart since they actually do ship to Puerto Rico and Alaska and all that. But as you can see, I had to cancel these 2 orders, which would have made us a pretty nice chunk of change, around $30 profit just in one day for doing nothing. But let's go over the results and the things that I actually did sell in the time period. So guys, now I'm on all our orders. I'm going to show you a couple of the items that I sold. So first off, I sold 2 of the keychains, I sold 2 BB guns, I sold 1 milk frother, and I sold 1 watch. Now this means that we sold a total of 6 items over the week. And what does that mean? That means we did not sell 1 item a week.
Say again?
You say I'm left out bad and bougie.
Now I still do have today to get more sales, and believe it or not, these last 2 sales here were already today, so it was kind of cutting it close. But if I can get another sale, that means we reached our goal of 1 sale a day for a week. But let's go over profit. So I'm going to do each product by itself first. So as you can see, these are $32, and I'm just going to go to payments on eBay. Now once on payments, I'm going to go over here and kind of look for the product and see how much money I'm making off of them. So I'm making around $26. Now I'm going to go over to Amazon. I'm going to show you guys how much I bought the product for. Now when using Amazon as a supplier, make sure that you're getting the best shipping and also make sure you're getting the best prices. There's a lot of people selling the same product on Amazon. So as you can see, I bought it for $15 and I made $26-ish. So that means that's a $10 profit, and I also sold 2 of these, so that's a $20 profit. Now let's go to the BB gun. Now once again, I did use Amazon for the BB guns, and it cost me around $28 to drop ship 1 of these. As you can see, I'm making $38 from the sale, so that's another $10 profit from each sale. And I made 2 sales, so another $20 profit. Money's just rolling it in. Now the last but not least product is these milk frothers. Now as you can see, it cost me $8.50 and I made $12.60, so I'm taking away around $4 in profit. So as you can see, I made $44 in 1 week in profit. Now how much work do I have to do? Yup, I'm holding it up, 0. All I had to do was input the shipping details, which takes me around 5 minutes. And then with the link down below, TrackerBot will do all the rest of the work for you. They'll convert your Amazon logistics shipping numbers to be compatible with eBay. And they also input the shipping numbers, so it's pretty insane. Even after the trial, you'll probably just want to keep them. So I honestly think dropshipping is probably one of the smartest things that you guys could get into right now. Now the reason is that because although the popularity is rising, this is the only chance that you'll have to be able to make money from it. This is because the competition is rising, like I said. So you want to hop on it soon, and this is actually a great video that you guys should keep in your arsenal just to look back on. Now just for you guys, I'll leave a couple more products that have been successful for me in the description. But to unlock it, you got to make sure that you guys like and subscribe. All of that helps me, and I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a great day. See you guys next video.